Hi everyone, this is your pal Kate Hart here. Happy Makeup Monday! And today we are going to be going over mascara. Now, as far as with my collection for right now, I just ran out of my brown mascara. However, the good news is it's the same exact brand, so I'll just show you what I have left with my other one. And I'm not going to be applying the mascara on my eyes today because, first of all, I got some shoots coming up this week and I kind of like need, as much as I can now because I got quite a few shoots coming up to where I'm going to need black mascara, and I just want to make sure I have enough in my kit, before I have to go out in the store and buy more. So, but I could just show you the brand and just one other little item that sometimes I use for both my real lashes and even false eyelashes, and more on that in a sec. Alright, so here we go. This is my favorite brand with my eyelashes because my eyelashes are like straight and I just need that extra curl, that extra drama to them. Even if I'm not hardly wearing any makeup, I still like to curl them up because once I put mascara on, it just sticks to my glasses, or not even that, it just feels like it's just straight and I just need to give them like an extra curl or two. So, but anyway, this mascara that I use it's by Benefit and it's called Roller Lash. Ironically with the name here, and this looks like a little hair curler, but instead an eyelash curler. Haha. And I just love the spool on this here, and here's what the wand looks like. And yeah, it's just like, let's see here, how it's like really thin. And what's nice about this spool here is on the back side of it, the thinner side, I do use the front side too to kind of like get it started, but I also use the back side to like really curl it. That works for me. You use your personal breath, but for me, I like to take the back end here and just work my way around it a little bit at a time. Like I'll go and apply it a little bit here, a little bit here on the front side, and then turn it around and just curl it and just work it. And when you do like your bottom lashes now, I have very few bottom lashes. They're very fine and very fair too. You can barely see them. But I'll just take the front part of the spool and just work my way delicately as best as I can. So there's that. This is the brand I use. This comes in quite a few colors: black, brown, purple, and blue, I believe. And Lord knows what, if any other colors. But I will have more videos on mascara specifically to try out different colors, and that way you can see for different effects and all that neat stuff. So now the only other item I'd like to show you here is my eyelash curler by Sephora, and I just love the purple. It's really cool looking. So there's that, and then this just I sometimes use on my regular lashes, just enough to where, before I apply false eyelashes. I don't need it all the time. This is just once in a blue moon that I ever really need this. But just to play it safe, that extra curl, this is the way to go. And you just stick your eyelash in, and then you just do your thing. You just gently just pull it up and just work your way through. So there's the eyelash curler. Okay, so, well, I hope you enjoyed this video today. Again, I will have more videos specifically on mascara with different colors to try out. And also I'll do an actual application where I do the mascara and even apply false eyelashes over top, just to give you some of my tips and tricks and secrets. So anyway, happy Makeup Monday. Take care of yourself now. Bye.